Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new playlist, Fun with Numbers using Python. If you have ever wondered how to break down numbers, find their hidden patterns, or check if a number is special, this is the perfect place to start. In Python, numbers are more than just values we calculate with. They can reveal amazing properties like palindrome numbers that read the same backwards, Armstrong number that equal the sum of their power digits, or even fun check like neon number and automorphic numbers. By learning these problems, you will not only practice coding but also sharpen your problem solving skills, which is very critical for interviews, competitive exams, and logical thinking. In this playlist, we will explore problems like counting digits in a number, printing digits in a number, sum of digits, product of digits, reversing digits, and checking if a number is a palindrome, Armstrong, perfect, strong, neon, or automorphic. Even uh, each video will focus on one problem at a time, so you can easily follow along, write the code yourself, and build confidence step by step. So, get your Python environment ready and follow along with me. Don't just watch the video, pause, type the code, and try running it yourself. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss upcoming playlist in the Python series. Let's begin this exciting journey and start having fun with numbers using Python.